BRD Wallet Crypto Wallet Review. Watch before using. In this video, we'll dive into an expert review of the BRD wallet, a popular choice in the crypto space. If you're considering using this wallet, watch until the end to ensure it's the right fit for your needs. We've also included links to the products mentioned in the description below for your convenience. BRD Wallet, formerly known as Bread Wallet, is a user-friendly mobile wallet designed for both beginners and seasoned crypto enthusiasts. It's available on iOS and Android with a focus on simplicity, security, and a seamless user experience. One of the standout features is its straightforward interface, making it an excellent choice for those new to cryptocurrencies. Setting up the wallet is quick and easy, with no need for personal information, which enhances privacy and security. The BRD wallet supports a variety of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and several ERC20 tokens, making it a versatile option for those who hold multiple assets. A significant feature is its integration with the BRD token, which offers users discounts on transaction fees and access to premium features within the app. Security is a top priority for BRD. The wallet uses industry-standard encryption and does not store any user data on its servers, ensuring that only you have access to your private keys. Additionally, BRD is a non-custodial wallet, meaning you have full control over your funds at all times, a critical feature for anyone serious about their crypto security. For those who value convenience, BRD Wallet also allows users to purchase cryptocurrencies directly within the app using a credit card or bank transfer. This feature is powered by a partnership with Wire and is especially useful for those looking to quickly and easily invest in crypto without needing to use an exchange. However, BRD does have some limitations. While it's great for managing a basic crypto portfolio, it may not be the best choice for advanced users who require more complex features like staking or DeFi integrations. Additionally, the transaction fees, while competitive, can add up, especially for those making frequent transactions. In summary, BRD Wallet is a solid choice for beginners and intermediate users who prioritize ease of use, security, and a clean interface. It's not the most feature-rich wallet on the market, but it excels in providing a simple and secure environment for managing your cryptocurrencies. If these features align with your needs, BRD Wallet could be the right tool for you. Don't forget to check the links in the description for more information and to get started with BRD Wallet today.